Today we will introduce you our Caterpillar 8000s common rail injector and HEUI injector test bench. It is used for test almost all kinds of common rail injector. Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Siemens, Piezo, and also Cummins. Now let's have a view of the testing system. Firstly, it can test all kinds of CR injector. Almost all the brand: Bosch, Caterpillar, Chongyou, Cummins, Durf, Denso, Longbeng, Siemens, Volvo. It contains all the testing data inside. We also have the QR function for all kinds of injectors, like the Denso, QR coding, Durfee, Siemens, XPI, and the Bosch common rail and Bosch piezo injector, IMA, ISA coding. It also can test the solenoid valve of the common rail injector, like test the frequency, resistance, inductance. It also has the AHE stroke testing. We also have the function for testing HEUI injector. It can test the Caterpillar C7, C9, C-9, 3126B, and other Caterpillar injector. Let's have a view of our testing system. It contains all the testing data inside. After test, you can also report the testing report. Now let's have a view of the inside parts. This test bench, it contains the diesel line and the oil line. And when you test the HEUI injector, we use the motor to work together with the Caterpillar plunger pump, supply the oil and power. It's 1.5 kilowatts. When testing the common rail injector, we equipment motor to work with the Bosch CP3 original pump to supply the oil and power. And also, we use high-quality WEEF filters. We also have other cooling system. This is a high-quality common rail injector flow sensor. The Bosch original rail working together with the DRV and the rail pressure sensor. This flow sensor is for testing HEUI injector. And now let's have a view how connecting the wires. This test bench is 380 watts. We needed to connect the 10, 20, 30, and 0. And also we needed to connect the ground line. On the test bench, we use a LFC inverter, most high quality one. 没了是吧？ We also equipment the printers, so after you testing you can print the testing report. We supply complete accessories, 2 HEUI adapters, and also all the common rail injector testing accessories. Now let our engineer show you our test bench test the Cummins injector. As you can see, this one is connecting the rail and the input. This is the return oil. This is the injection. And also clean. Firstly, input the injector number. Start the test. After finished testing, you can print the testing report. Now we will show you how to dismounting the injector. Check the injector number and input. Input the inject code number. Continue. And then start the test. In our testing system, it shows you different process. Show you the pressure, Okay. After testing, print testing report. Okay. Now we will show you the Caterpillar C-9 injector testing. Firstly, you need to remove the high pressure oil pipe. Use a special oil pipe. Take off the common rail injector cables. Connect the cables to the injector cylinder cable. Okay, now we will show you the pipe connecting, the oil in. Check the oil out. And then the diesel in. The diesel out. This one is a fuel pressure regulator. You need to adjust it from 0.2 to 0.4. When you test the HEUI injector, you need to turn on the HEUI oil pump and also the heating switch. Now, input the injector number. Continue. Start. After finish testing, you print the test report.